Hey y'all, it's your girl Amber Marie, and I am finally back with a new video for y'all. It's been a long ass year, y'all, but I'm here now. I'm alive, I'm well, I am blessed, and I am about to show y'all how to recreate this look right here. Okay, honey? Yes. So, if you want to see how I got this look right here, make sure y'all keep watching. I already have my brows on. I am going to first go in with this e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. Basically just a white primer, and I just put this on my lids. It just makes the eyeshadow stand out. So y'all know we're in quarantine. So that's why I'm raggedy with no nails. But it's okay because honestly, I can do my makeup 10 times better without nails. Next step I'm going to do is I bought these e.l.f. eye tape things. Line and define eye tape. So I can get me a nice, sharp, crisp edge. Okay, honey? Okay. Boom. Now, obviously, you can use regular tape if you prefer. So I'm using the Wonderful James Charles palette, and I'm going to go into this yellow shade right here. I'm gonna take the yellow shade and apply it to my inner corner. Blend it out. Next, I go into this lovely palette right here. It's Violet Voss. I think that's how you say it. Violet Voss Bright Vibes. I got it from Sephora. It's a fun neon palette. It's a fun bright neon palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Neon, which is this yellow shade right here. And it's just slightly brighter, and I just to make the yellow stand out more, I just pack that on. And then the next shade that I'm going to go into is from the same Vibes palette. I'm going to go into the orange, or this orange shade right here. It's Leg Warmers. They have such cute little like 80s themed names. It's cute. So once I have the orange on, I just like to blend it into the yellow. Because we love a good blend, honey. For the outer corner, I'm just going to do a darker orange, and I'm pretty sure I used the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm pretty sure I used this Feeling Myself color, this one right here. So if not, oh well, still gonna look good. Period. Just like and I just take a small little blending brush. I just apply that to my outer corner. And just blend it in to that brighter orange. And I guess I'm gonna take some more of this bright orange from the Vibes palette and just blend. I just, whenever you're blending, I go over them like 1,000 times before I'm finally happy with how it actually looks. And so once I'm content with how it looks, then yeah, I stop the blending and move on to the next eye. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do the next eye off camera, so I will be right back. Alright, so I have both eyes done. Well, kind of done. The shadow portion anyway. So I'm gonna remove these. Boom, crisp line. Boom, another crisp line. Another crisp line. Can't talk. It's okay. Alright, so I'm actually not going to do my face on camera either. We're just here for the eye looks, so that's what you're going to get. So I will be right back. So my face is basically done now. I just have to do the last few finishing touches. First thing that I am going to do is apply some mascara. As you know, I am using blue lashes today, so I am going to use a blue mascara to just help blend my real lashes with the false lashes. So I do have this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the shade Royal Blue. So it's a blue mascara. It doesn't work all that well, but it works enough. So I'm just going to apply that to my lashes real quick. So once I have the mascara on, I'm just going to, take my pretty blue lashes and apply them to my lid. To just add some more of the blue that I used to my lashes underneath, just to make them. So I just add more blue eyeshadow that I used for my lashes underneath on my natural lashes to just make them not so black, and so that they go with the fake lashes even more. And then, so I'm gonna wipe away this powder. And then for my lower lash line, I am just going to add that blue underneath. Alright, so now I just need to do an inner corner. You can't not have an inner corner. For my inner corner, I am going to use from the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I'm going to use this gold right here. I'm just going to take a little little round brush like this, and I'm just gonna, you know, boom, apply it. Okay. And I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corner. Okay, and I'll do a little bit right here above my brow. I mean, below my brow bone, below my brow bone. Now I just need to do highlights. For my highlight, I'm going to use my Good Girl Fenty Beauty in the shade, you guessed it, Trophy Wife. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of her and add her to my cheek. Yes, honey. Like, she's just perfect, honestly. I love her so much. Of course, a little bit above the brow bone. Love that. Some on my chin. And right above my Cupid's bow. And just to give her a little extra pop, I'm going to dab some more and give her a little spritz. And then just lightly tap. Look at that. Now I'm shining, 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 shining. All of this spinning, I've been losing my mind. Oh, slow me down. Do y'all see that? Like, if you want any highlighter to just be give her a good little spritz before you put her on. And then you're not gonna be able to tell her nothing. And that's on period. Psych. Anyways, alright, so just my lips. I don't know what lip I'm gonna do. You know, we're just gonna do a good chocolate lip. So I'm gonna take my NYX. Is this why people do this? Yes. Okay, my NYX. My NYX lip pencil in the shade Downtown Beauty. Is that what the shade is? I hope so, because that's what I'm saying. And I'm just gonna line my lips. What the fuck is that? I guess we just gotta have a big bottom lip today, sis. Good thing you can't see like when I'm like this regular. I can't do that. The power of a beauty blender. Okay. My lips is crusty. And I put chapstick on before this video too. And they still crusty. It's okay. We gonna be great regardless. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on this Maybelline little lipstick in the shade 920, which is Nude Lust. I'm just gonna put her on real quick. Alright, so here's the finished look. Psycho. So let me know what y'all think. And if you recreate this look, please, please, please tag me in it. Send me the pic, video, whatever. I want to see how this look looks on y'all beautiful faces. So yeah, do that. Alright, so if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and comment right now. Do it right now. Just like it and comment on this video. Thank you. And if you want to see more videos from your girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell button so you get notified every time I post something. Okay? Okay. Alright, y'all. It's been a pleasure. I'm out.